So now for this one, it's reminding us that I is equal to the square root of 1. So let's just do a quick review of imaginary numbers. If I is equal to the square root of 1 and I square both sides, then I squared is equal to the square root of -1 squared, which is just -1. And that pattern repeats itself, and we'll just stop right there. So when we add this, though, we're just going to treat I like it's x. In other words, and also another reminder, imaginary numbers, or complex numbers, I should say, have two components. They have the real, which is just a real number, and then they have the imaginary part. The imaginary part is easy to determine because it's the one with the I in it, right? I stands for imaginary. So I'm just going to add them up. So what I'll do is it's like combining like terms. 7 minus 8, those are the real components. And then the imaginary components, I have a plus 3i and a plus 9i. So I've got plus 3i plus 9i. And so I can only add the imaginary with the imaginary. That's pretty easy. That's plus 12i. And then 7 minus 8 is what? It's a -1. So then my answer should be, which one is that? My answer should be A, -1 plus 12i. Any questions on that one?